Now question 11. Question 11. We have here the diagram shows the curve with equation this for x greater than 0. The curve crosses the x axis at point A and B. Has a minimum point at M. Find the exact coordinates of M. We are looking for exact coordinates of M. For that, minimum point, how will you get minimum point? Minimum point, we always, it suggests us that then that deals with the derivatives, right? So that is tells us that this is question of the differentiation that we start. So we have y equals to 2 So y equals to 2 x power minus 2 over 3 minus 3 x power minus 1 over 3 plus 1, right? So at minimum point, so the derivative is going to be 0, dy over dx will be 0, right? So we will find out the derivative. This is 2, here we have 2 times minus 2 over 3 x power. So negative 2 over 3 minus 1, this will become negative 5 over 3, and then minus 3 times negative 1 over 3 x power. This minus 1, 3, it will be negative 4 over 3, right? Plus derivative of 1 is 0, right? So now we are just rearranging everything. So this will become negative 4 over 3 x power minus 5 over 3 plus 1 over 3 x power minus 4 over 3. Now this thing is equal to 0 as the derivative is 0. So then we will rearrange again. So shift the sides, 4 over 3 x power minus 5 over 3 equals to 1 over 3 x power negative 4 over 3. So as this is negative, shifting to other side, it will become positive, right? So from here, if you cube, now you see we have here power in the denominator is 3. So if we cube on both sides, so we are going to get rid of this number. So 4 cubed is 4 times 4, 64, yeah, 64 over 27 x power minus 5, right? And this side we will have 1 over 27 x power minus 4, right? We get rid of this the number which was in denominator, right? So now here x power okay, so x power minus 5 over x power minus 4. I am bringing this side here, 1 over 27 times this will be 27 over 64, right? So this is going to be x power minus 5 plus 4, this is 1 over 64. 27 is cancelled, or do we have here 1 over 3? No, sorry, this 3 was cancelled here, right? So there is no 3 here, sorry. So this is nothing here. Let me just erase this one, because 3 is cancelled there, so we will not have this term here. Okay, so we have here 27 over 64, right? Here is 27 over 64, but this side we are getting here x negative 1, x minus 1 will be 1 over x equals to 27 over 64. So from here our x is going to be 64 over 27, right? So now once we got x, we can find out the value of y. So our y is minus, we are just going to put the value in this original equation, that of y. So I am just writing here directly here. So 64 over 27 power minus 2 over 3 minus 3 into 64 over 27 power minus 1 over 3 plus 1, right? So once you calculate this, it's just a calculation. So we are getting here y as negative 1 over 8. So please manage this calculation. So now for this, what will be the coordinates of m? So the coordinates of m, we have 64 over 27, we got x here, and y is negative 1 over 8. So this is our final answer, right? Now part B, find the area of the region bounded by the curve and the line segment. So our curve is somehow like this, right? It's like this. So this is point A and this is point B, this is point M. So we are looking for this area, right? Area bounded by the curve. Now as you can see, this is A and B are on x axis. So we will see point A and B are on x axis, right? They are on x axis, so that means y is equal to 0. So if y is 0, then that means 2 power this curve whatever is given to us is x power minus 1 over 3 plus 1, this is equal to 0. Now we can substitute like the values, put x power minus 1 over 3 as t. So this equation will become 2t square minus 3t plus 1. Now we have a quadratic in t. So we can what do you call factors, we can make factors. 2t minus t plus 1 equals to 0. So 2t is t minus 2 minus 1, sorry this is 1 here, t minus 1 equals to 0. So t minus 1 and 2t minus 1 equals to 0. So from here we have t is equal to 1 or t is equal to half, right? So once we got the t, we convert the value of x from this one, from this equation here. X power negative 1 over 3 is equal to 1 and x power negative 1 over 3 is equal to half. So cubing both sides, we are going to get here x as 1 and here we are going to get x as 8, right? So x 1 and 8 we got it. So now for the area, so for the area now we will get the points of A. So A is now x is 1 and 0 and B is 8 and 0, right? So now the area is going to be minus because it's under the curve, so it will be minus. So 1 to 8. So as you see here, our curve is from here 1 to 8. We already got those points. So 1 to 8 of the curve. Y is 2x minus 2 over 3 minus 3x minus 1 over 3 plus 1 into dx, right? So now once you differentiate this, so this is going to be negative 6x power 1 over 3 minus 9 over 2 x power 2 over 3 plus x, limit is from 1 to 8, right? So now we are going to substitute the values of 8. Be careful guys while substituting these values. So 6 and 8 is now, x is now 8 minus 9 over 2, x is now 8 power 2 over 3 plus 8 minus then 1, 6, then 1 remains the 1 as it is plus 1, right? So now minus this we have 6 times 2 is 12 minus 9 over 2 times this is the 2 power 3 2 power 2, it is going to be 4 plus 8 minus this is 6 plus 1 7 minus 9 over 2. So this is minus 2 times 2 12 minus 18 plus 8 minus 7 minus 9 over 2. Now just the calculations, right? So this is minus 12 plus 8 20, 20 minus 8 12 minus 20 minus 18 minus this is 7 plus 4.5. So once you calculate this, you are going to get 0.5. So that is our area. So this is our final answer, right? So that's it for this video, guys. So I hope you understood everything. Let me know in the comment section if there is anything, and thank you so much, guys. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Be blessed, guys.